Welcome to the second section of the practicals under the nutraceuticals. Today we are going to go for the nutraceuticals practicals. Now this nutraceutical is a broad umbrella term that is used to describe any product that is derived from the food sources with extra health benefits in addition to the basic nutritional value found in the foods. These nutraceuticals can be considered as a non-specific biological therapies which is used to promote the general well-being and cure from the various diseases. Now, what are these nutraceuticals? These nutraceuticals, these are combined from the two words nutrient, a nourishing food component, and a pharmaceutical, which is a medical drug. The term was coined in the 1989 by the Dr. Stephen DeFelice, who is the founder and chairman of the Foundation for Innovation in Medicine, an American organization in the New Jersey. Now these nutraceuticals are the functional foods. Whatever we eat today from the various vegetables or the food and supplements, we get various nutrients. So with this respect, our final year students, the Manoj Kharar and the Shivani Carter, they have prepared very nice video from the soya bean. Soya bean contains large amount of proteins and which is very good for the body. From soya beans, they have prepared soya sticks by the chakli press, and they have baked that soya sticks in order to have the nice nutrient. And the people which are calorie conscious and even small children which are fond of this all soya sticks, they will like these videos. So all of you please watch these videos. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you all of you.
Hello everyone, myself Shivani Katkar. Today I am going to show you a very healthy snack item which is soya sticks made out of soya flour. Let's look at the ingredients. This is soya flour, this is black gram flour, rice flour, gram flour, turmeric powder, red chili powder, carom seeds, salt, ghee, cumin powder, black pepper powder. Take a cup of soya flour, a cup of black gram flour, a cup of rice flour, a cup of gram flour, add half spoon turmeric powder, half spoon red chili powder, half spoon black pepper powder, half spoon carom seeds, then cumin powder, and 2 tablespoons of ghee, and salt as per taste. Now mix all the ingredients properly. Add water as per required and knead it into a dough. See, now our dough is ready. It is very soft, from which now we are going to prepare our sticks. This is the chakli press, out of which now we are going to prepare our sticks. See, now we are going to prepare our sticks with the help of this. Same way I have prepared all the remaining sticks. So now I am going to cut these sticks from between. Our sticks are ready. Since we are going to bake them, I have already preheated the oven. Now we will bake them for 15 to 20 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Our baked soya sticks are ready. A very simple recipe. At the same time, it is very healthy. Make it for your loved ones. They will surely love it.